Welcome, friends. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Let's begin in easy pose with some rhythmic, rooted knee circles. Massaging the knee, massaging the hand, rocking back and forth in rhythm with your breath, inhaling and exhaling through your nose. You can reverse those circles. Just being intentfully aware of your presence, of yourself. Flowing breath, rooting down, lifting up with that inhale. Exhale those hands to heart center. Open up nice and wide. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly lift the arms up, gently release, opening and closing. Feeling the breath, sensing the breath. Coming into some uplifting openness on each side, really stretching, reaching, feeling the energy flow from those roots all the way up to the fingertips. Elongating through the spine, some soulful energy, curling through that upper middle back, really taking it nice and slow, smooth, steady. Inhale and exhale. Rising up, slowly descending down. Let's transition to the opposite side and begin with those knee massagers. Relaxing through the joints, feeling the vibrations of your breath, of the movement, being present for yourself. Expressing through your fingertips, pulsating just as your heart, shining your light forward, upward, coming into a heartfelt stretch, rhythmically moving, dynamically stretching, feeling balance on each side as you clasp those hands from back. Cleansing breath, lifting, rooting down, opening up, clasping those hands, really stretching, shining that heart forward and descending down, relaxing through your spine. Flow with your breath. Slowly transitioning into a wide leg stance. Rooting down, nesting, slowly forward fold, keeping the hips anchored, almost being supported by a pillow. Slowly massaging through the neck. Again, gentle, relaxing, wonderful mobility. Coming to place hands on top of one another, bonding through that bridge from your hips to your fingertips, feeling confident, feeling strength, feeling balance, opening up into that relaxing stretch. clasping those bonding hands into a bridge on that opposite side, feeling secure, comfort, and rooting down into that transition, a healthy respite for your hips, for your knees, for your ankles, for your toes. Smiling through that mobility, aligning through some comfort, coming into staff pose and moving those feet forward and back. Again, feeling bonded, feeling grounded, feeling agile. Slowly lifting up into that joyful breath. Moving with your breath, inhale and exhale. Connecting through the supports, coming up and down. Bonding those hands to that heart space, shining that light. Feeling supported, feeling secure. Bountiful transition as you open up, gently bringing the feet back towards you and sweeping successfully the knees delicately side to side. Taking that self-care time for yourself. You'll feel your feet being massaged as you rock side to side. Placing the feet together, coming into a bound angle, rooting down, smiling. A namaste blossom. The light that shines in me shines in you. Coming into a soothing stretch for your neck. Gently touch the side body, resting, releasing through the shoulders. And those peaceful sparks, always having energy, always shining your light. Coming into that soothing stretch on the opposite side, relaxing through the shoulder, through the neck, through your jawline. Coming up into a quiet slumber, resting your face on your knees, clasping the hands, just feeling some rest. Gently inhaling and exhaling, feeling openness in this confined space, spacious and openness opening up. A very mindful release as you move through your hands, through your arms, through your shoulders, feeling present for yourself. Coming into that self-care trust. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Blessings, friends. Enjoy your day.